Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can send money with Skrill. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that, simply go ahead, open up your Skrill app. Then right over here you're going to be transferring this up. You're going to be tapping on this option of transfer at the bottom. Then right away you will find three options, which is Skrill to Skrill, international money transfer, and request money. So Skrill to Skrill is basically going to tap on. It will be instant transfer, but there will be a fee. You can see 2.99 cents is the fee. And then when you simply go to your search, you're going to simply allow it to access your contacts. It will show you the contact that does have the Skrill account. Tap on it and simply that will simply require number of the contact, and you will be able to send money, add the money, confirm the and review, confirm. Next is international money transfer. You're going to tap on it. It's gonna show up like that. You're gonna simply use the country you're sending from and to country you're sending to, add in the amount on top. It will automatically convert it, and at the top you can say deliver to your bank account or pay with debit card. Tap on deliver to bank account. That way you will be you will have to add in details of your bank account. Choose debit card or anything else if you would prefer. Tap on continue. Next page will be where you have to provide the information of your bank account, recipient's bank account, add in their name, number if it requires, their account number, and their bank name as well. Then tap on confirm, review everything, and then you will be able to send them money likewise. Notify them afterwards so you can also get to know it. You will also receive a notification anyways, but that's how it is. So hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.